So back to our discussion on sexual independence. Ẹ̀yin tí ń bá ṣe ń sọ lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìbálòpọ̀ láàrin ọkùnrin sóbìnrin ìbálòpọ̀ ìfẹ́. It's a beautiful thing. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn èèyàn ò ṣàkíyèsí ọ̀nà tí ò yẹ là ń gbà ṣe. It is being done inappropriately. So let's say no to all this uncalled remedy. Immediately we find ourselves in a mess. Like family planning, like antiseptics, it can damage your womb. It can say no to things like condoms. Condom is very painful and it can tear, it can destroy and tear up the vagina. Even it's very risky for the men. If you are used to condom, you can have a low sperm count. So gbogbo àwọn ọ̀nà àbáyọ tún láti tá máa ń wá kiri bí oògùn tó lè ba oyún jẹ́, oògùn tó pè ní antiseptic àbí ìfètòsọ́mọ bíbí àbí oyún ṣíṣẹ́ or D&C àbí ìbùwé tó ń lo rọ́bà ìdáàbòbò kò dáàbò kankan. Ó lè sọ ọkùnrin di alábọ̀ ara tí ò lè taputu tí tó máa ní low sperm count. Kọ́ndọ̀mù kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́ ó máa ń dun obìnrin lójú ara, ó lè pín òbò sí méjì. Tí yóò bá fi ẹ̀ṣọ́ ṣe, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ tòótọ́. Ẹ lè bára yín ṣe nípa ti ara sára tó pè ní flesh to flesh. You can make love flesh, it's okay. But make sure you if you don't trust your spouse, or even despite you are married doesn't mean you should trust your spouse, your husband. Women don't cheat in marriage. We all know that. It's very rare for a woman to cheat in marriage. It's a useless woman that cheat in marriage. Tẹ́ ẹ bá gba ẹ̀rí olólùfẹ́ yín jẹ́, pàápàá èyí tẹ́ ti ṣègbéyàwó, amọ̀pọ̀bìnrin ò sábà yún àlè, olórí burúkú obìnrin ní yún àlè ní ìgbéyàwó. Bí yóò sí ní ìgbéyàwó gan kì í ṣe kí wọ́n máa ṣojú méjì. Ẹyẹ ìdáàbòbò ó lè kó bọ́kùnrin àtòbìnrin tẹ́ ń pè ní rọ́bà dáàbò. Oògùn antibiotics yín ìyẹn ní fa àjàkà lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni. Kí wá ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ sí gbogbo èyí tá à ń sọ yìí? Bá ṣe sẹ́ pé ìgbé ayé ìfẹ́ ó dáa. Ṣùgbọ́n láyé òde òní oríṣiríṣi ayé ti bàjẹ́. Ẹ wo, look at the life of our younger ones. The world is corrupt today. In many occasions, it says it's not supposed to be conducted, but it happens. Let's not deceive ourselves. I remember when I want to get married many years back then, 10 years plus then, my late mom's friend told me, don't forget, important thing, sex is for enjoyment between you and your husband, not to be having child here and there. And it is true, not that we are not going to have issue. Enjoy yourself with your spouse, not to be just to get pregnant. But I never knew better then. I suffer so much in relationship because I never knew better. Any little thing, I won't lie to you, I must miss my period. Mo ní nígbà yẹn, ọ̀rẹ́ ìyá mi sọ, ìyá mi ti dolóògbé nígbà mo fẹ́ ṣègbéyàwó. Ó ní má lọ ṣègbéyàwó kó mọ pọmọjọ, gbádùn kíní ọkọ rẹ, ẹjọ gbádùn ara yín. Kì í ṣe pé kẹ́ má bímọ ẹyẹ pọmọjọ. Mo máa jìyà o. Kí nǹkan máa ti ṣe bá oyún ni nígbà tí mi ò mọ̀ ńgbà náà. Ọlọ́run ló ṣàánú mi. Àṣé nǹkan kékeré báyìí ló yẹ ká ṣe. This is where the solution comes in. Be sexual independent. Have any tea of your choice. But the most preferable tea is Lipton tea or Nescafe. Any Lipton tea. Hot tea. Anytime you have a sexual intercourse, be ready to make hot tea. Not that very hot, but the kind of level hot one that you can drink if you don't want to get pregnant. These teas are good. Mo sọ fún wa ká wá Lipton. Lipton is preferred. Lipton tea dá àbí Nescafe. Bó dẹ̀ ṣe mílò náà lẹ mọ̀ pò tó ṣàgbóná gbígbóná kì í ṣe gbígbóná aláṣejù o. Gbígbé náà tẹ́ pé ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ lè gbé mu. Ó máa ń da fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ní ìbálòpọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ fẹ́ kó di wàhálà sí yín lọ́rùn bóyá ẹ̀ tí ì ṣe tán. Ẹ má ṣì mí gbọ́, mi ò fara mọ́ ìbálòpọ̀ ní gbogbo àgàgà àwọn tí ò tí ì ṣègbéyàwó àbáwọn ọmọ kéékèèké táyé ti bàjẹ́ nísìn. Ẹ lè rọ ọmọléèwé girama gidi lẹ́fìrè tí wọ́n tètè máa bá ń lé. I know here and there, the younger ones, especially those in secondary school, you hardly find virgin among the very young people. Encourage